Hey folks, today we're going to talk about tonsil stones. We'll tell you what they are and what you can do to get rid of them. Here we go. Tonsil stones are chunks of calcified debris lodged in the tonsil crypts. These stones could be made up of mucus, dead cells, bacteria, and pieces of food. They have an awful smell that's caused by a buildup of sulfur-producing bacteria. They're normally harmless, but they can cause the tonsils to become infected. For this, in severe cases, you can go to the doctor. To get rid of them, sometimes it's helpful to gargle with salt water to loosen the surrounding mucus. As you can see in these clips, people use various objects to try to dislodge them. It's not recommended to use something like a toothbrush, as it may harbor bacteria and the bristles can damage the skin. Hey folks, if you get tonsil stones, then you need a lighted medical pick coupled with a dental irrigator. The lighted pick can quickly, safely, and efficiently remove tonsil stones. The link below includes the best tonsil stone removal tool, an extra set of batteries, 3 heads of various sizes, a dental irrigator, a 10-pack of nitrile gloves, and a case to put it in. These are hand inspected and shipped from the USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. So you get the irrigator, the lighted medical pick, gloves, batteries, and a case, all for under $15. And we'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.